Listen, miracle. Listen, practice, read, and speak. A merchant had a donkey. He used to carry goods from the market on a donkey. One day, a merchant carried huge sacks of salt on the donkey's back from the market. The donkey was suffocating with such a heavy load. Suddenly, on the way, donkey's foot slipped on the bank of the river and he fell into the river. He was surprised when he got up somehow because the weight on his back had suddenly become lighter. Actually, the salt was dissolved in water. The next day, again the merchant carried heavy sacks of salt on the donkey's back. When the donkey reached the river, he deliberately slipped and fell into the water. The weight of his sack eased again. The donkey walked happily. The donkey's owner had seen that today the donkey had slipped deliberately. So he thought of teaching the donkey a lesson. The next day, he carried sacks of cotton on the donkey's back. As soon as the donkey slipped on the river and went into the river, the cotton absorbed the water and became heavy. The donkey was now feeling sorry for himself. We should always ready to work hard. Nothing can substitute hard work.